Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Trello profile picture. So once you are on Trello, you want to click on your account here. Now you want to click on profile and visibility. And once you are here, you will be able to find your settings. And now you want to click on go to your Atlassian account. Now here again, click profile and visibility. And here, as you can see, there is a profile picture. So just click on that and add a profile photo or create initials avatar. So add a profile photo. Now upload it. You can actually make it larger and change it like so. Click upload and your profile picture is uploaded. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.